Hello, hello. How are you? My name is Bruno. I've been away for a little long, but today we're gonna be talking about vocabulary. I'm gonna introduce myself first. My name is Bruno. I've been teaching English for like 6 years, seven, no, 6 years. I've been teaching English for 6 years, and today I'm here with the goal because I want to help you. Today we're going to be talking about vocabulary, how to learn new words, how to know, how to improve, and most important is where to find these words. Because a lot of students they come to me and they say, "Oh, teacher, I really want to learn English. I really want to improve my English, but I have no idea how to like expand my vocabulary. Where do I get these words from?" Where? I don't know. Like, what do I have to do? How to study these words? And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. Okay? So, if you don't understand this video or you understand just a tiny bit, don't worry because I'm gonna record this video in Portuguese too, but I don't know if you speak Portuguese. I hope it's gonna help you, but I just speak two languages, so it's gonna be English and Portuguese. This one it's gonna be fully English, okay? Well, first things first, a lot of people they don't know their levels. They have no idea. They just study English randomly and they have no idea how to like step up, okay? But I know a way to help you out. First things first, you are going to open Google, as you can see on my screen. After that, you're going to put the, oops, caps lock, the Oxford 3,000 words. As you can see, it's in purple already because I have opened. Well, here you're going to see that a lot of links they say the same thing. The Oxford 3,000, but they also say another thing. American English 3,000 and 5,000. 3,000 by CEFR. Wait a minute. What is that? What is that? CEFR. What is that? Let's put here CEFR. Whenever we look it up, you're gonna see that it describes your English level. Of course, not English, but a lot of languages they have the same thing. They have the same pattern to describe the level, which is a letter like A, B, or C, and one number 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. There's a better image, but I don't know exactly where to find it. Let's open here. There's a better image, but let me see with IELTS here. That's what I was looking for. Okay, let's imagine that you're gonna take IELTS and you completed your IELTS, and after that you're going to receive a number or two numbers, depends. But usually, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Okay, what are these numbers? These numbers are related to your level, to know your level, to know like how much do you speak, okay? And whenever you have a letter and one number together, it's gonna show you your level for your English, like beginner, elementary, intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, and proficiency. Okay, the higher the letter and the number, better your English. Okay, well, as we can see, let's imagine that we got 9 at IELTS. Beautiful, awesome, wonderful. So basically, our level or English level is C2, which is proficiency. Okay, but I'm not so good. Sorry, I haven't like trained. I haven't studied a lot lately, so I'm kind of rusty. Okay, let's imagine that I got 4. 4 is elementary level, so it's gonna describe your level. Okay, but a lot of people they are very good. They're really, really, really good at English, but they don't know vocabulary. They don't have a lot of words. They don't know how to express themselves properly. Okay. And with this list that I'm going to show you today, you're going to be able to learn a lot. Okay, let's do it. So let's bounce back here. As we can see here, we have the Oxford 3000 words. You are going to find this one, CEFR, which is the the least, not the least, sorry, but the level that I just showed you. Okay, you're going to open. Pick. I already opened here. Basically, this list contains, okay, 3,000 of the most important words to learn in English from A1, remember the levels, to B2 level, okay? And here you can see all of them are listed here, okay? A1, let's see, we have bathroom, which, what? There's an N here. What in the world is this N? N means noun. It's a noun. Okay, it's a thing, let's say. It's a noun. Bathroom, it's a place, as you can recall, okay? But let's also take another word. Where? Best. Best. Next to best, we have A, D, and J. What is that? ADJ. It means adjective. Adjective. It describes something. For example, I can say that I have a friend. I have a friend. Oh my gosh, my friend. And he or she, whatever, is my best friend, because best describes, okay? So every single time you see ADG, sorry, it's going to be adjective. It's going to describe someone or something, okay? At the same time, we have do, which has a V here. V means verb. Verb is an action, okay? Basically, let's understand this way. So let's imagine that I say, I wash the dishes. This wash is my V, my verb. It's the action of the sentence, okay? So basically, just by seeing the letters here, V for verb, adjective, noun, you basically got an idea of what to do with this word. Of course, you have to study the words properly, okay? Because as we can see here, we have 3,000 words. And all of them, sorry, all of them are divided by level. A2, remember the list? Remember the list that I showed you, the levels A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Remember that? Yes, exactly. Here you will see these words by level, and that's the beauty of that. Okay, B1 and where's the B2? B2, B2. Okay, so basically here we have the most in 3,000, the 3,000 most important words to learn in English. Teacher, beautiful, awesome, I understand, perfect, I'll be able to learn 3,000 words, yes, awesome, but how to study that? We have a lot of ways to study that. First, we can use apps like Anki, like Quizlet, like Quizzes. I'm not gonna open these apps now. I'm not gonna like show you how to put the words there because it's gonna be very, very, very long and tiring. Okay, so it's gonna be another video like only dedicated for this. Perfect. You can write. I don't know. A lot of people prefer writing, but I'm not one of these people. So awesome. We have 3,000 words here. Perfect. But we also have another list. Let's change it. I'll close it here. Let's put 5,000 words. But wait a minute. American English. We don't want American English. Not that American English is bad. No, 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 no. I love American English. But we want exactly the same list by CEFR. Okay? That's the list we want because we want the list divided by levels. Remember, levels. That's what I told you at the beginning of this video. Let's open it up. Perfect. Now we have the words. The Oxford 5000 by CEFR level. Just remember, I didn't create this list. I'm not saying, oh, I say this list is good. No, it's by Oxford. They created that and they like divided the list. They put the most important words. But let's read the description here. The Oxford 5000 is an expanded core word list for advanced learners of English. So wait a minute. Those 3,000, the first list that I showed you, is like the beginning. It's for elementary, intermediate. This one is for advanced level. Okay? As well as the Oxford 3000, it includes an additional 2,000 words for learners at B2 and C1 level, which are listed here. So basically, this list, it follows the same pattern. It follows the same structure of the other list, but with different words. And that's the point. That's where you're going to increase your vocabulary, okay? So here we have a lot of words, and all of them, which is very nice. All of them are sorted by alphabetical order. In my opinion, it's very nice, very nice. Like dual, it's an adjective. Remember, look, adjective, noun. What else we have here? Adjective, noun, no verb so far. I didn't see. I just looked. Okay, that's it. So basically, what I want you to do is, with that, the first list I'm talking about, we had 3,000 words. Now we have 5,000 words more. Your goal is study. Study these words. Learn these words. Increase your vocabulary. Go when you take your test, IELTS, TOEFL, whatever you were trying, or just like to have a conversation to improve your English. Aim these words because they're gonna be so helpful, so useful. And I hope I helped you somehow. I don't know. But with this list, I truly believe you have like loads of things to learn. Okay? Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please leave in the chat section below. I'm not gonna be talking about tools to learn, like tools to put this list and improve, like train every day, because I use this kind of tools, but I'm going to have a specific videos for this. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you around.